before we turn, ground your hips on the floor again. Could be crossing, could be open, yeah? Ground yourself again, open your chest, yeah? And we will put the hands behind you, a little bit behind you, pressing into the hips and open solar plexus and chest. Shoulders away. Yeah, to prepare for the opening here. Now what we will do in the bolster is with this position to receive. Yeah, we did a lot of releasing. Now all that space that we gain, we will fill it with energy. So open your arms a little bit here, grounding in the hips, soften your shoulders and pressing into the hips, open this area, soften, spread your arms but not tensing, yeah? With your wrist, imagine that you pull away, not in a forcing position, you pull a little bit. We want to separate the shoulder blades, yeah? Expanding, soften, good. Expand chest, solar plexus. Good. And then relax, yeah? So with this idea of opening, when we go in this on the pillow, maybe your arms will be a little bit lower, yeah? Depending how you feel, how high is your pillow, okay? So we will put hips on the hips on the floor, lower back into the bolster, yeah? Have your blanket as well. The legs crossing or bending or stretching, yeah? If you can cross, that we have the hips a little bit more open today, we can keep the legs crossing, so we keep working on the hips and the grounding, yeah? So once you are there, ground yourself into the floor. Lengthen your spine, lengthen the back of the neck. Again, if you want, you put your blanket and spread your shoulder blades on the bolster. Open your arms, doesn't need to be in cross, yeah? And soften here, but you will feel a nice open on the solar plexus, on the chest. Back of the neck long, so you bring the chin toward the chest, yeah? Expand, open, and allow your body to receive now, yeah? So as we relax in this position, we will do a little bit of visualization with the chakras, yeah? Just a short one. So when you breathe in, imagine now receiving from the root, from the planet, a beautiful red light that goes into your hips, yeah, your pelvic floor, your legs, yeah, starting point there. And then the red light is filling your whole body and is filling your cocoon. First chakra is a chakra of grounding, of rooting, of safety and protection, knowing that everything that you need will come your way, that you have everything that you need. Red light moving through. And then imagine that we are absorbing a orange light now from the planet itself into the roots. It's going up into your belly, lower back, hips, all that area. Orange light moving through, cleansing and supporting your emotional being, yeah, your emotional body, your creativity, your desires. And imagine that orange light moving, filling your body, filling your cocoon. And you let the red and the orange there. Yeah, and then we will imagine in your next breathing receiving a beautiful yellow light. into your solar plexus, into the middle back. Yellow solar plexus chakra is the area of energy and power of the self, the power of our body. So imagine receiving this yellow light and empowering your body, yourself, feeling your body, the cocoon with great energy to use whenever you need it. And then leave that yellow light there working for you. We will receive a beautiful green light into your heart, into your upper back. Green is the color of the heart and healing power. Let that green light move there and feel the rest of your body and feel the cocoon. And together with the green light is coming a soft pink light that is the color of unconditional love. Also the energy of the heart. Feeling your heart, feeling your body, feeling your cocoon. And in your next breathing, imagine a turquoise light, the color of a sky in a really bright morning. Imagine that color going into your neck, into your throat, into the base of your neck and the top of your shoulders. And let the turquoise light move there. And then feeling your body, feeling your cocoon. The energy of the chakra is the energy of communication. Yeah, the ability, the freedom to communicate everything that you need, however you need, and in the way that you need, without fear. And then we will imagine like an indigo color light or royal blue light into your face, yeah, between the eyebrows, into the forehead. This is a color of the wisdom and intuition of our higher self. So let this beautiful light move through your body, through the cocoon, connecting you more strongly with your own wisdom, your own intuition, and knowing that you can trust this communication with your higher self. And then again, we will imagine that violet light coming from above, feeling the cocoon, feeling our body, and giving us the sensation of being protected, of being safe, and with the power to change and transmute and transform everything that we need to change in ourselves, in our body, to feel better. And imagine that through this light as well, we can connect with everyone through this violet light and through our roots. Imagine that we are connected and together and safe. Good. And then slowly, really slowly, start to bring some movements to your hands, to your feet. Moving maybe the head side to side. Opening your arms back, expanding. Breathing deeply. And then we will roll to one side, bending your knees. We will stay for a moment on the side, making a pillow with your arms. And slowly from there, we will go to